Hi everyone, I'm Elle, and today I'm going to do a review on the Louis Vuitton Multi-Pochette Accessoire in the monogram empreinte leather. And I have this in this really pretty cream color. So today I'm gonna go over kind of the pricing, where I bought it, kind of like a story about why I bought it, and I guess like an overview of the bag, maybe what fits inside, and then kind of go over whether I would buy it again or not. So the current price for this, I checked online, and as of, what's today? It's May 2022. It's $2,840 without tax. And I bought it about a year ago in 2021, and I bought it for let's see, I wrote it down, $2,230. So it went up about $600 from when I bought it this time last year. And then the main reason why I bought it is because I saw it at the store, but it was in like black and gold, and I was so tempted to buy it in the black and gold. But I have lots of black and gold purses because I love that combo. And you know, it was like May, and then I was thinking, oh, I don't really need another black and gold bag. And then I went home, and then I was browsing through the website, as one does after they go visit the store, and I saw that they had it in this cream color. And I at the time was kind of afraid of a light colored bag, but because it was May, and I have a collection where I can rotate through bags, I went and bought it, and then I was super pleasantly surprised by the quality of this bag. This is my first bag that I bought from Louis Vuitton in their empreinte leather, because I usually stick to the monogram. And I was super surprised because it's really, really soft. And I was kind of afraid of it because, well, you know, with leather, it's like not as durable as the canvas is what I was thinking before I bought it. But after I got it, I felt it, and after using it for a while, this leather is because it has this texture to it, it's pretty durable. So let me just kind of show you what it looks like. And then it has the two pouches, so they have the giant monogram on both sides, and then on the bottom it has like the regular size monogram. Super pretty. And then here are the zippers, and then here's the zipper pulls, and then on the inside it has like this creamy microfiber type thing, and then there's a pocket here. Oh, I have my little card things, and here's like the model. I usually keep those in there because I don't really know what I'm gonna do with them. And then the second one, I think the second one is, yeah, it's just the pouch, and then the leather tabby here. So it comes with 4 pieces. So the smaller bag, the bigger one, and then it comes with this long strap that you can shorten with these handy dandy buttons to make a shoulder. And then you can also make it a crossbody bag. And this comes a little high, but I like how high it comes up on me. And it comes with this super pretty chain. Now I love this chain. It's like loops, and then it has this this leather intertwined in it. Super pretty. And then here are the D-rings, and it has like Louis Vuitton it has the Louis Vuitton sign engraved there. But yeah, and this is like a nice shoulder length. So yeah, generally I bought this bag because I was thinking about getting the multi-pochette in the canvas, but I have a lot of canvas bags. I really like the thick strap that it comes with, but I don't really like the little coin pouch. I like the coin pouch on its own, but I don't like the idea of having it hooked on to my chest. I don't know. like I just find that kind of fussy. So if I were to get that, I would probably hook it to the side or take it off completely. But I liked how this bag is super duper duper versatile. Like technically you can take these pieces off of each other and you have two purses. Like you could do that and that, this strap with this bag, or this strap with this bag, and then you can switch them. And you can carry it like just like this and put this strap on, or you can carry this one. I don't know, it's just like, wow, I get two bags for and one, you know what I mean? And also the canvas version right now, the price is $2,570, so it's about $200 cheaper. And I checked on those site right now, they don't have this cream color available, but they have the black, the super super pretty black and gold version, and then they have the version where it's like black, it's like a black bag, and then the embossed parts are cream. That one's super pretty too, but I think it's a little more expensive. But yeah, so I bought this color because I thought it would be a good spring summer bag, and I was starting to feel a little more adventurous with getting colors that weren't like the monogram or black bag. So I wanted to do like a lighter colored bag, and I'm really happy that I did. If we want to go over the wear and tear, I don't see much. I think mainly the wear and tear that I do see is like, let me see if it'll focus right here. Well, actually they're not like fading or anything, but the white leather, like not white, but the cream leather right here, if you can see it, it's like a little grubby. Like I think it's because the metals hit it. I don't know if you could really see it, but yeah, it's a little grubby. I'm gonna try to clean it and see what happens. But yeah, I don't really see too much wear and tear. And let me check the strap, because this is probably where I would see some wear and tear. I mean, it's a little wrinkly, but nothing too crazy. Yeah, so like I said, I've had this for about a year. Oh, there's a little something right there. I've had this bag for a year, and I used it way more than I thought. Like I thought I was gonna use this just for like, I don't know, like quick things or like parties during the summer with dresses. But I wear this a lot, and it's a really great travel bag because you have like two compartments. So generally this is how I would pack it. Let me clip them together, because that's I usually carry both of them, and I find this to be a really great travel bag because you can like either pack this in your carry-on bag and like put whatever you want inside of the bags, or what I was doing was that I would carry like my, here we go, my I have my cards and like all my important cards in here, and my AirPods, and I would have that in here. And then I would have any like I would have like my sunglasses, and then I'd have like my multi-pochette if I didn't want to like take everything out of it. But right now I have like a pen and some lip glosses and some cash and a perfume sample and a blush in here. So yeah, you can check whatever you want. You don't even really have to have this with you, but I just keep all my little things in here. That goes in there. You could do sunglasses, and then you could stick your phone in here, and that all zips up. So, whoop. Yes. So, and I love how like it lays against your body. I also really like the I don't know what it's called, the pochette accessoire. But you know, after a while I realized I didn't need another monogram bag. So this is kind of, you kind of get that with this. Super cute. So I originally thought, like when I first bought it, I was like, oh, you know, I'm not really gonna use this a lot, so I might want to like return it or exchange it or sell it or something. But I found myself reaching for it a bunch, and it looks super cute with like dresses or floral things, and like the color The color is kind of like an off-white creamy color. At first I thought it was kind of hard to match with stuff, but I found myself reaching for it a lot. I recently came back from a vacation to Vegas, and this was, I brought like several bags with me, like maybe 3 or 4 bags, but I think this was the only one that I took because and I like how it's kind of not super in your face, like monogram. Like this is very obviously monogram. I mean, you can see it here, but you can't really notice it. Like from far away, it just looks like a cute white bag. And if I were to buy it again, oh, yes, I would buy it again because it is so versatile. Like if you watch all my videos, you will learn that I'm a huge fan of versatility. Like if I can use a bag for more than one purpose, I love it so much. And the whole like 2 bags in one thing, I love that so much. And I figured like if this whole multi-pochette trend thing goes away, I can always separate these two and then just like use them as pouches in my bigger bags. So yeah, I really would recommend. I love it so much. And then let me see if I'm pretty sure my little agenda will fit in here. Oh yeah, yep, fits perfectly in there. And then I would probably, you could even do like hand sanitizer and mask, or just your mask in here, and then like agenda in here, and then AirPods and wallet, and then sunglasses. Or you can even just do like sunglasses in a separate pouch. But, ooh, a little tight, but yeah, I love this thing so much. And then I also have, let's see, what else can I compare it to? So like if you don't have this, you can kind of figure out, like if you have the mini pochette, like there's a size comparison of it. And then what else did I brought, if you have a walk, here's kind of a size comparison there for the walk. Here, maybe that's easier to see. That, and then what else? I also brought my Prada re-edition. This is also like, you know, mini bag, I mean multi-pouch bag type thing. So here's kind of a comparison between the two. And if you want me to do like a more in-depth comparison between these 2 bags, because I know that people kind of go between these two, I could also do that. But yeah, so yeah, if you're thinking about buying it, I recommend. But I think that's all I have to say for it. Let me kind of show you how I normally wear it. I usually wear it with like everything on it. Like I'll carry it like this. And then if I get kind of tired of doing that and I'm shopping or I'm out for a while, I will keep this strap in the bag, and then I will hook it. And then, yeah, this comes up a little shorter, but I like my bags like that. So I think this is really cute when it hangs off the body, and that's how it looks. Yeah. If you have any questions about it, let me know, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.